Buckle up, because the legend is back, and it's painted in a hue so bold it stops traffic dead. Bright yellow, 2026 Chevy Chevelle SS. But here's the kicker. What if I told you this isn't just a car, but a seismic shift in the muscle car world that Chevrolet's been hiding up its sleeve? Stick around to find out what makes this revival a game changer you won't see coming. Welcome to the channel where rubber meets the road and passion fuels every story. I'm diving deep into the automotive world to bring you the unfiltered truth about the vehicles that move us, literally and emotionally. Today, we're tearing into the 2026 Chevy Chevelle SS, a nameplate that's been dormant since 1977, but is now roaring back to life with vengeance. This isn't just a nostalgia play. It's a statement, a love letter to American muscle wrapped in modern tech. Let's unpack why this bright yellow beast is turning heads and rewriting the rules. First, let's address the elephant in the room. Rumors about Chevelle revival have been swirling like tire smoke at a drag strip, but GM has kept its cards close. Sources like GM Authority have called out the flood of AI-generated clickbait, with fake renderings and specs littering the internet. They're right. Most of what's out there is pure fantasy. But whispers from industry insiders and credible leaks suggest Chevrolet is indeed prepping something big for 2026, and the Chevelle SS is at the heart of it. So what's real? Let's separate fact from fiction. Picture this: a low, wide stand sculpted hood, and a grille that snarls like it's ready to eat Mustangs for breakfast. The 2026 Chevelle SS is said to blend retro cues, like those iconic quad headlamps and muscular rear haunches, with razor-sharp modern lines. The bright yellow paint? It's not just a color. It's a throwback to the Daytona yellow of the 1970 Chevelle LS6, a nod to the hairy-chested, 454 cubic inch monster that ruled the streets. But this isn't a museum piece. Chevy's reportedly building this on a modified Alpha platform, the same backbone as a Camaro, giving it razor-sharp handling to match its brute force. Now let's talk power. The heart of any muscle car is its engine, and here's where things get spicy. Leaks point to a range-topping 6.2-liter supercharged LT4 V8. Yep, the same beast found in the Corvette Z06 and Camaro Z01. We're talking 650 horsepower, 650 pound-feet of torque, and a 0 to 60 sprint in about 3.5 seconds. Top speed? North of 190 miles per hour. This isn't just a street-legal dragster. It's a middle finger to anyone who thought muscle cars were dead. But Chevy's not stopping there. Rumors suggest a base V6 for entry-level trims and, brace yourself, a hybrid or even a full-electric Chevelle SS variant. An electric Chevelle? Sounds like sacrilege, but with EV tech pushing 0 to 60 times under 3 seconds, it could be a masterstroke to future-proof the nameplate while keeping purists happy with that V8 roar. Step inside, and the Chevelle SS doesn't skimp on luxury. Imagine Recro performance seats hugging you tight, a flat-bottom steering wheel, and custom SS badging screaming attitude. A 13.4-inch touchscreen runs GM's latest infotainment, paired with digital gauges and a Bose surround sound system for those long cruises. It's a cockpit that blends retro swagger with modern finesse, like a 1970s muscle car time-warped into a Tesla's tech suite. For enthusiasts who grew up dreaming of burnouts, it's a nostalgic punch that doesn't sacrifice daily driver comfort. But here's where the plot thickens. Why bring back the Chevelle now? The muscle car market is a tough nut to crack. The Camaro bowed out in 2023, with only a handful of units left unsold, as GM Authority noted. Dodge's Charger and Challenger are going electric, and Ford's Mustang is leaning hard into sporty refinement. Chevy's betting on the Chevelle to fill a gap, not just for boomers chasing their youth, but for younger buyers craving something bold and different in an SUV-saturated world. If the leaks are true, a reveal at SEMA 2025 or a standalone event could set the stage for a spring 2026 launch. Limited edition trims, maybe even a 454 Inspired model, could make this a collector's dream from day one. Now let's address the skeptics. Some fans on X are calling this a pipe dream, pointing to GM's silence and the flood of fake renderings. They're not wrong to be cautious. AI slop, as GM Authority calls it, has muddied the waters, but the buzz is too loud to ignore. Posts on X, like one from a Carman today, describe a Chevelle SS with aggressive styling and retro-inspired fascia, aligning with insider whispers. Chevy's been quiet, but that's their playbook. Keep it hush until the unveil steals the show. And if they nail the pricing, say, starting around $50,000 for the V6 and climbing to $80,000 for the LT4 PowerSS, they could undercut the competition while delivering a knockout punch. So, what's the game-changing detail I teased at the start? It's not just the power or the looks. It's Chevy's rumored plan to make the Chevelle SS a halo car for a new era of performance. Sources hint at a limited-run heritage edition with bespoke features like a manual transmission option and exclusive Daytona yellow paint to celebrate the 1970 LS6. If true, it's a love letter to purists and a signal that GM's doubling down on passion over practicality. In a world of cookie-cutter crossovers, the Chevelle SS could be the spark that reignites the soul of American muscle. That's the 2026 Chevy Chevelle SS, bright yellow, unapologetically bold, and ready to rewrite history. What do you think? Is this the muscle car revival we've been waiting for, or just another rumor that'll fade away? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Smash that like button if you're as hyped as I am, and subscribe for more deep dives into the cars that make our hearts race. Share this video with your gearhead friends, and let's keep conversation roaring. Until next time, keep the pedal down and the passion alive.